and I just want to drink from your stream. For your love is like the mountain water, clear and sparkling as a dew. And to love you until my life is over is all I've ever wanted from you. I don't want to take the gold out of your heart, love, and I don't want to take the sparkle from your eyes. But let me rest in the shade